Today, we are at the Hagos Börse, an in-house exhibition of our major customer Hagos. Hagos is an association with 1,400 members and more than 3,000 customers. Our products, PROMASIL and PROMAFOUR, are therefore part of the product portfolio of the association. This trade fair is the meeting point for the key players in the market, which are mainly fireplace producers. I'm here with Enno Vollner, Key Account Manager for TPI customers in Europe. Enno, why is the calcium silicate so important for the fireplace and tile stove construction?
Our calcium silicate, called PROMASIL, is a fireproofed insulating material installed behind the fireplace to protect the wall of the living room from any fire accidents.
Are you also the manufacturer of these products?
Yes, of course we are manufacturer of PROMASIL 950 KS. It is an ecological product with excellent insulation properties and first-class workability. It's easy to cut, to glue and to handle. Our product PROMAFOUR is also produced by ourselves in Belgium. It is a stable board for the construction of coverings for fireplace inserts and heating cassettes. It is also easy to install, and with a large dimension we reach more freedom of design. These products, PROMASIL and PROMAFOUR, give the end users a long-term solution and the necessary security.